Alright guys, we're starting the side mount here. Dimensions are in inches as you saw. So let's jump in here and start us a brand new and file new. Standard IPT, and again I want to start me a new sketch right on the origin of XY plane. This one here, how will I start this thing out? I think the best way is to draw maybe a side profile of it. I think that would just about get everything, a side profile would. So let's do that. So line, start right here at that corner. I want to go up 3. Gives me an idea of this thing. Come over 5.5. I want to come down 2.5, it looks like, so it's 2.5 minus 5, so it'd be 2.5, right? Come over 8 minus 5.5 would be 2.5. Straight down 2.5. Straight over, it's going to be 3. And that's where I'm going to stop for the time being. Got a radius of 3. It's blended in smooth up here, so I can come in here with a line and come over this way, but it's a smooth, it's going to be tangent on this one, and it's going to touch on this point over here. I showed you all earlier the old drafting technique to getting that. There's other ones you can do on this. You can, do tangent, bring it over, just move it over and touch it. Let me show you how to do that. That might be a good one for me to show you. This is do 3. Well, actually, it's a radius 3, so this would be 6. I didn't touch them, but all I want to do now is come back up here to my constraints, hit my tangent, click this, and then click this. All right. Now, another little trick I want to show you guys on this. If you don't want to do it the old drafting technique way, you can click on that point and bring a line straight over. And I always hit a point. Put me a point right there, just like that. So now I can go in here and just do a move. Click that, the move. Click your base point would be that point. Yes, turn it loose, let it come over, and it'll actually touch the end point. Just like that. Hit done. Trim it all out. That's another way that you can do it other than doing the little drafting trick that I showed you guys. All right. So that looks good. Everything's on there. Finish sketch. Extrude. The extrusion on this one is 4 inches. So there it is. Looking good. Looking good. I do have a radius of 1 in here. I could have done that, and I'm going to go back, double click that, and I can put that fillet in here, and it's a radius of 1. Makes that a little easier there for me. So there's a couple of things. Start a new sketch, put it right here on the top. I'll put that hole in it real quick. Dimension it out. Make sure this thing is 2 inches away from that to that. It's not. And what happened is it's constrained right there. You all see that? It got constrained to that line. And if I go in here right now, I can do show constraints, and it's not wanting to show it to me. So sometimes it's easier just to delete. Come out here, put it out there. Now I should be able to dimension it wherever I want to go with it. 2 inches. 2 inches in the center. Finish that up. use your whole command. That thing is 1.75. It goes through all of it. The diameter is 1.75. There. Got one more little thing I got to do to it. Start 2D sketch around the top face of this. I'm going to go in here and just rough it out. I want to come in here like this, come back out, come back over, tie back in. It's got a radius of 1 here, so come back up here to radius 1. It's already set. I can put that in just like that. All I have to do is just put some dimensioning on it from here to here. 2 inches. Okay, and then it's 4 inches from this corner to this one. Perfect. And that's it. Finish your sketch out. Extrude that. You want to do a cut, which is right here. It's your boolean command, and that thing is, how deep is this? It's 2.5, right? 2.5. Boom. There you have it. Okay, make sure this thing is, it doesn't say what kind of material it is, so I'm just going to leave it blank. So if you have any questions, let